Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your online profile with LinkedIn step by step clearly. Log into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture at the top left. Once on your profile, click the edit button, which appears as a pencil icon. Scroll down to the contact info section. In contact info, review who can see your email address. Adjust visibility settings to connections only for more privacy. Next, scroll to the Settings and Privacy option. Click on it to open your account settings. In the Visibility tab, check your profile's visibility settings. Set your profile to be visible only to your connections or to only you if you prefer. Return to the main settings page and locate the Data Privacy section. Review which data LinkedIn holds about you by clicking on How LinkedIn uses your data. Consider downloading a copy of your data for your records. Now, review your connections by going back to your profile. Remove any connections that you feel are not relevant or trustworthy. Return to the Settings and Privacy page. In the Account tab, enable two-step verification for enhanced security. Follow the prompts to link your phone number for verification. Next, check your password and ensure it is strong and unique. Consider changing it if it hasn't been updated in a while. Now, go to your profile summary and remove any sensitive information. Ensure that your public profile doesn't showcase too much personal detail. Additionally, review your activity and posts for any content you might want to delete. Engage with content that is professional and aligns with your career goals. Lastly, regularly review your privacy settings every few months. This will help you stay on top of how your information is shared on the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.